What is up, everybody? It is me, Jamoka, and I am here at CES right now. Right now, I am in LG's booth checking out the new Gram laptops that they are introducing this year at the show. LG introduced two new models this year, both featuring a lot of AI features. Before we dive deep into all the information, if you are new to this channel and enjoy staying up to date with the latest tech news, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and hit that like button as well. All right, let's dive into some of this information right here. First up, there are two models that LG is introducing this year. You have a 17-inch Pro model, which is a higher end, then you have a 16-inch model. The 17-inch model features Intel's newest chip, which is the Ultra V series, while the 16-inch features the Ultra H series model. So obviously the 17-inch one will be your top end one if you're doing a little bit more productivity or even gaming. But I'll get into some of the specs in just a little bit. Let's talk about a lot of the AI features that LG is really talking about this year. So first up, we have what they call Gram Chat. Now this is an on-device which allows them to process data locally with the help of the compact AI model that LG has been working on for the past few years. All the information right there is held on your computer, so there's no need for you to go out to the cloud just to get that information. There's also another AI feature that they're featuring called time travel. Now let's talk about time travel for a little bit. Now this allows users to quickly revisit some information that they have worked on in the past. So say for instance, if you're working on a spreadsheet or a document and you lose your information or your computer goes blank or your kid runs in a room and you forget what you were typing or you get some information deleted, LG's time travel will allow you to go back and retrieve the information that you were working on. Now you may be thinking to yourself, this sounds a lot like Recall from Windows, and basically it pretty much is the same feature as Microsoft tried to introduce the Recall. So it'd be very interesting to see how LG is going to weather that storm and not get caught with all the privacy and spying that Microsoft had to battle with when they were trying to introduce their Recall information. But we will see how that is. Also, another thing about time travel, that it does hold information in your computer for 30 days. So within the 30 days, you can go back and try to recycle some information that you may have lost or forgotten, or you need to just revisit it or make some edits to it. Another AI feature that LG is introducing is called Gram Chat Cloud. Now this uses OpenAI's ChatGPT 4.0 model to give you all your AI functionality. So if you want to do anything that you would do on ChatGPT, this is where you would do that within your LG Gram laptop. Now this does obviously require an internet connection in order for use. So if you wanted to search, do some programming, some assisting with the AI, that is what this would do for you. Now LG is saying that this will be free for the first year. No word on what the cost will be after your first year is up. But within your first year, feel free to do anything you would do with OpenAI right there from your LG Gram laptop for free. Now let's dig into the specs real quick. So as I said up top, you have a 17 and a 16-inch model. Both feature a 2.5K displays. Now they have up to 32 gigabytes of LDDR5X RAM. You can get up to 2 terabytes, of course, of NVMe SSD storage. The 16-inch model specifically is a 2-in-1 model. So this is the foldable screen, more the touch screen, folded all the way back, use it just like a tablet. That is going to have Intel's Arc GPUs in that. While the 17-inch model will have the GeForce 4050 GPU in there. So you want to do some light gaming or a little bit more graphical intensive applications, the 17-inch Pro model will obviously be the one for you. The 17-inch also has a 90 watt-hour battery, obviously with the bigger screen as well, and it has a VRR of up to 144 refresh rate. And it weighs just 3.26 pounds. Now, when I was playing around with it, doing my testing with it, this thing is very light. It is very light, very thin, as you can see right here in some of the videos right here. This is a very, 17-inch screen, but it doesn't feel like a 17-inch laptop. It's a very light laptop, and this will definitely be something that you can just haul around with you, throw it in your book bag, and not worry about the extra weight in your backpack weighing you down. But so there you have it right there. Both of the models, 16-inch and the 17-inch model. Again, if you're looking for a more gaming or a more graphically intense, you want to opt for the 17-inch Pro model. There is no word on pricing or release date information at this point, but hopefully in the next couple of months or in the spring, they will give that information out to you. Once again, thank you guys for taking the time out to watch this video. Once again, if you are new to this channel and enjoy staying up to date with the latest information, please do me a huge favor. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell, and chances are if you have friends or family that enjoy this type of information, make sure you share this with them as well. Again, I am at CES covering all of the tech news right here, so make sure you are subscribed to the channel right here. And until the next video, guys, stay nerdy.